Welcome to the 14th video of the physics lecture series for the National Science and Mathematics Olympiad. In this video, we will discuss the case of freefall. Freefall is the most important special case of constant acceleration. It means the motion of an object under the influence of gravity only, so there are no other forces. For example, air resistance is neglected. In this case, the motion occurs in a straight vertical line, and the acceleration is constant and equal to g equals 9.8 meters per second squared. It is important to remember that free fall is not just when we drop an object, but also when we throw it upwards. And in that case, it includes both going up and coming down. It is very important to use a consistent sign convention when solving problems involving free fall. We usually choose upwards as positive. Gravity always acts downward, so the acceleration a will be equal to minus g. This sign convention works for both the ascent and the descent, so do not change the convention halfway through the problem. In this slide, we collected the equations of motions for the case of free fall. It is very important to see that these are not new equations. We simply substituted minus g in place of a in all of the equations. Take a look at them and compare them with the ones we had in the general case to make sure that you can use them correctly. Let's finally focus on the upward part of the trajectory, as this is the trickier case. When we throw an object upward, it starts with an initial positive velocity. Remember that we choose the upward direction as positive. However, gravity acts downward, so it will gradually slow down the object. The velocity decreases until it reaches zero at the top. So the object stops there for a moment, and then its velocity turns negative, so it will start falling down. The velocity constantly changes during the free fall, but remember that the acceleration is constant for the whole time. It is always the same minus g. Thank you for your attention to the whole video series. Make sure to rewatch any videos that you might not have fully understood, read the booklet carefully, and practice a lot with various problems. I wish you all the best for the competition.